What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel Maheshwari Behan, and welcome back to one more mini vlog. As showing, I think you guessed what this video about. Yes, guys, this is my hostel room makeover video. Yesterday we completed our semester exams, so today became a free bird. I thought of doing something new. Finally, I decided for my room makeover. Due to these hurry-burry days, I ignored my room completely. But now I can't do that. I started cleaning my room and I sorted all my things. And you may observe that I do videos at my home only. Why? Because all my family members are very supportive and all they are camera friendly. But in college, I don't know is my friends are camera friendly or not, as I don't want to disturb anyone's privacy. But according to my craziness, today I came to know that all my friends are also camera friendly. My roommate supported me a lot, and they suggested me and they became cameramen for me today. Felt very happy with them. And these handprints and names on the walls and doors not by us. Actually, I don't like to do all these type of things, like handprints and names. I like only plain walls and decent rooms, but as a hostler, we have to adjust for many things. This is the final outcome, and I place my important things in this.